Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Children's Day. World Children's Day, established in 1954, is celebrated on November 20th annually. The day is dedicated to promoting international unity, awareness, and the improvement of children's welfare worldwide. 2023 theme for the day is For Every Child, Every Right. The day aims to foster a better world for children through dialogue and actions emphasizing the ideals of the UN Charter. This date is significant as it marks the adoption of the Declaration of the Rights of the Child in 1959 and the Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1989 by the UN General Assembly. These documents outline various children's rights, including the right to life, health, education, play, family life, protection from violence, non-discrimination, and having their views heard. Significantly, the Convention on the Rights of the Child is the most widely ratified international human rights treaty.